Panigale V4 versus Yamaha R1. Which superbikes truly deserves the crown? Two superbikes. Two completely different philosophies. One question that has sparked endless debate. Is the Ducati Panigale V4 truly superior? Or does the Yamaha R1 still hold the throne as the real rider's machine? Today, we're diving into one of the most controversial comparisons in the superbike world. Because if there's any topic guaranteed to split the internet in half, it's Panigale V4 versus Yamaha R1. Engine philosophy, MotoGP versus cross-plane soul. On one side, you've got the Ducati Panigale V4, a 103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine born directly from MotoGP DNA. About 210 horsepower, razor-sharp throttle, and the closest thing you'll ever get to riding a full-blown Italian prototype on public roads. Torque delivery and that signature brat-brap sound that no V4 can copy. The Panigale screams. The R1 growls. Two beasts, two identities, two religions. Performance breakdown. Ducati Panigale V4. More power, more tech, more MotoGP heritage, more exclusivity, higher price, more expensive maintenance, less forgiving for beginners. Yamaha R1. Cheaper, easier to maintain. MU plus electronics, straight from YZR M1. Cross-plane magic nobody else has. Slightly lower power. Standard model needs upgrades to match Ducati's premium feel. Top speed? Almost identical. Panigale V4S 318 km per hour. R1 unrestricted 317 km per hour. At this level, a single kilometers per hour difference is basically nothing. But fans will still fight to the death over it. Price, where feelings get hurt. Panigale V4 starts around $25,000, $30,000. Superleggera, $100,000. You're paying for tech, prestige, and the Italian superbike aura. Yamaha R1 starts around $17,000, $18,000. More accessible, more practical, more reasonably engineered. Some say, Panigale is a Ferrari bike. Others reply, R1